let's take an alphabet quiz. So I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen. And listen to the letters I say and write what you hear. And I would like you to write both the capital letter and the lowercase letter. I will do one example for you. So number 1, this is an example. Number 1, C. C. So I want you to write the capital letter and the lowercase letter. All right. Number 2, F. F. Number 3, G. G. Number 4, A. A. Number 5, S. S. Number 6, T. T. Number 7, E. E. Number 8, O. O. Number 9, U. U. Number 10, W. W. Number 11, D. D. Number 12, B. B. 13, I. 14, H. 15, J. 16, L. I will read through them one more time. Number 1, C. Number 2, F. 3, G. 4, A. 5, S. 6, T. 7, E. 8, O. 9, U. 10, W. 11, D. 12, B. 13, I. 14, H. 15, J. 16, L. And now I will show you the answers. 1, C. 2, F. 3, G. 4, A. 5, S. 6, T. 7, E. 8, O. 9, U. 10, W. 11, D. 12, B. 13, I. 14, H. 15, J. 16, L. So how did you do? Let me know.